Here is a step-by-step process to create FAQs for your Fiverr Gig. First, click on Add FAQ on your Fiverr Gig page. Write a question that you think your clients may have about your services. Answer the question in the space provided, making sure to use relevant keywords and include all the necessary information. Click on Add FAQ to add more questions and answers as needed. Once you've added all your FAQs, click on Save and Continue to save your gig's data. You can also add requirements for your gig in the same way by clicking on Add under Requirements. And finally, you can add a gallery to your gig by selecting Gallery on your gig page and uploading relevant images and videos. Remember to use relevant keywords in your FAQs as they can help your gig rank higher in search results. Also, make sure your FAQs provide useful information to potential clients and answer common questions they may have about your services. If you found this video helpful, click like and subscribe.